Good morning and welcome to Equipment Marketing. We're taking a look at a 2020 Freightliner. Beautiful unit, folks. 102 wide bed by 25 foot long steel. Beautiful unit. 54,000 GVW truck. Refurb steel rims all the way around. Excellent, beautiful tire condition on this unit. Cummins automatic transmission, brand new buyer's toolbox. As you can see, tire condition is almost new all the way around this unit. Tires and drums are 80% to new. Air ride suspension, universal mounting kit on this unit. 25 by 102 steel bed. This will carry a Moffett, a Princeton, a Load Mac, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com, to see what we have available. Feel free to give us a call at 260-238-4998. All of our trucks and trailers do get brand new straps on them, ready to come work for you. Beautiful tire condition, almost brand new on everything all the way around. 75-gallon fuel tank. Folks, this 2020 automatic transmission, 330 horsepower, has 165,000 miles on it. Dump valve on it, automatic transmission, engine brake, diff lock, beautiful unit, air ride captain seat, bench passenger seat. Want to thank you for your time. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. We'll answer any questions you have.